Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Love, love, love serving you. Okay? Give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up now because you're going to like it. I know you're going to like it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make scallop and seafood stuffing casserole. Scallop and seafood stuffing casserole in the air fryer. Yes, let's go with the air fryer today. Alright, share the video to everyone, and subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. I'd love to welcome you. So let's do it, shall we? Alright. Okay, so I have some bay scallops. I seen them in the supermarket and they're larger than usual. Okay, so it caught my eye and I want to show you the price. It was $6.99 a pound and I got $5.10 worth. Okay, now that's a pretty good price for scallops, especially this size. Okay, look at that. Bay scallops are usually half this size. Let me pick one up and show you. That's pretty big. Okay? Okay. Now, I want to show you. There's a mussel right here. It looks like a little white gristle. You want to take that off. So I saved one to show you. Okay? See? That's what it looks like. Okay? You want to take that off because if not, when you bite into this, it will be very tough and you don't want that. Okay? That's what it looks like. I want to make sure you see that. Okay. Alright, so let me wash my hands and let's season this. Okay, I'm going to season it with, I have some lemon pepper. Ground garlic. Okay, I'm going to mix this up. Alright, let me wash my hand. Okay, this is our pan that I'm going to be putting in the air fryer. Let's oil the bottom of the pan. Now I'm going to take a towel and just wipe it so that the oil is at the bottom and on the sides. Like so. Okay. Now I have some mixed vegetables that I cooked in the microwave on 5 minutes, and I put some a little pepper and some butter in it, well, after it got hot, and mixed it up. Okay, so we're going to put that on the bottom of our pan. Like that. I'm just going to spread it around so that it's all over the pan. Okay. Now I'm going to add the scallops. Okay. Now I purchased this seafood stuffing from the fish department at my grocery store. Seafood stuffing, okay? Okay, and I'm just going to place the seafood stuffing on top of the scallops and the mixed vegetables. The seafood stuffing costs $2.99. So we spent $5 for the scallops and $5.10 I think it was for the scallops. $2.99, so let's call it $3 for the seafood stuffing. So that's $8.10, right? And then I have a bag of mixed vegetables that was on sale for 99 cents. So we're going to call this, I used half, so we're going to call this 50 cents. So we're into it for $8.60, $8.60 for a scallop dinner. Now you can't beat that. This is looking good, guys. Okay, I want to just melt a little butter and drizzle it over there. Let me melt the butter. I'll be right back. Okay, so I want to take the butter. This is 2 tablespoons of butter. And just drizzle it here and there. This is to help it brown and to give some flavor. Okay, now we're gonna put it in. I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, I gotta plug it in, that would help. 1 second. Okay, we're in business now. We're going to cook it on 370. That's a high temperature for seafood, okay? And let's go down to, I want to go 10 minutes. Okay? Okay, so we'll be back in 9 minutes. Thank you. Okay, our timer just went off on the air fryer. Let's see how we're doing. Okay, it's looking good. I think that we need another, let's say, 4 minutes. It's not quite brown, okay? So remember, we started out with 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add 4 more minutes. Still on 370. Take this down to 4 minutes. And I'm going to give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is, let's lose 2020 weight. Yes, let's lose the weight we gained in 2020. You know, we were locked in the house for a year. We didn't have much exercise. You may not have even went out that much, okay? So we had nothing else to do but concentrate on eating. Now it's time for us to lose the extra pounds. You can do a little walking now. You can do some exercising. You can eat less. And you say, well, how do I eat less? Cut back on the amount that you put on your plate, or cut back a meal. You know, maybe you normally eat 3 meals a day. Maybe you can go to 2 meals a day. Measure out your food if necessary, and try to accomplish some goals of weight loss. So maybe the first week you might lose a pound. Then make your goal next week 2 pounds, and make your goal the week after that 3 pounds. Until you feel comfortable in knowing that you are able to do this. Because if you lose weight, you're going to feel better, you're going to look better, and that smile is going to be better. That's the word of the day. Lose 2020 weight. Okay, we're waiting on our air fryer to stop. Thanks. Okay, we're about to stop. Our off light is on. Okay. Oh yes, guys, look at that. Oh my, my, my. Okay, so you know, I'm gonna plate it up actually, and then show you and take a taste. Okay, give me a second. Okay, guys, look at that. How about that, huh? Scallop and seafood stuffing casserole. Mmm. Okay, let me taste. Oh, my head is cut off. 1 second. Better. And the temperature when I took it was over 155. You want for seafood to be at least 155, okay? All right. Scallop. Mmm. They're sweet, delicious. You know, the seafood stuffing is made from like imitation crab and other seafood flavors, okay? Mixed vegetables and stuffing. Mmm. Oh my goodness. You ever have stuffed lobster? Reminds you of that. And the scallops is just so, so sweet. Mmm. Awesome. Home run, guys. Home run. The flavor is just out of this world. Still in my mouth, wanting more. Okay. Please make yours. Let me know how you like it, okay? Talk to you soon. Love you.